Let's assemble this carnation. This flower rod is cut short after folding. The half is enough. This one is already cut. Bend it about 1 centimeter. Like this. Pass through from the middle of this carnation to the middle of the jaw. Pass through. From this, like this. Pull down with a little force. It can't be seen basically. This is okay. Cut the end of the yarn short. Use the same color as the jaw and the leaf. To wind around the rod, remain about 5 centimeters, like this. Start winding. Wind the yarn next to this position of the torus. Wind a few more times. Continue to wind it down evenly. Wind as tight as possible. Pass through the stitch. End it at the place of the reserved yarn. Add the leaf. The front of the leaf faces the stem. Pinch. Wind around as tightly as possible. Add other leaf. This leaf and the other leaf. Place it face to face like this. Pinch. After 2 or 3 laps and wind it down. Wind it down about 1 centimeter. Remain about 10 centimeters of yarn. Cut off the yarn. Pinch the yarn. Wind the yarn around the rod. Pass through and tighten. One more lap. Tighten. Like this. This is okay. After done, we adjust the leaf and the rod. Bend the rod slightly to make it to be arc. Compress. This is okay.